Hello, student. Welcome to my English class. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share in my channel. Before that, I want to say Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, we want to talk about recount text. The title is SMP Negeri 1 Cimahi Off-Road by me, Mem Eis. Before we begin the activity about recount text, there are basic competency. There are two basic competency for skill and knowledge. You can read by yourself the basic competency. In this occasion, in the recount text, I want to explain about definition, purpose, generic structure, and language features. The definition of recount text is a group of paragraph which is used to retell event or experiences in the past. Jadi, recount text itu definisinya adalah kumpulan paragraf yang digunakan untuk menceritakan kejadian atau pengalaman di masa lalu. There are so many kind of recount text. Ada berbagai jenis recount text. There are personal recount, factual recount, biography, and history. What is the purpose or tujuan untuk diajarkannya recount text? The purpose is to list and describe past experiences by retelling events in the order in which they happen. Jadi tujuan diajarkannya recount text itu untuk menceritakan pengalaman atau peristiwa di waktu lampau secara berurutan. Ingat, secara berurutan, tidak acak atau meloncat-loncat. Kemudian, generic structure atau dalam bahasa Indonesia, alur cerita. Recount text has 3 parts, ada 3 bagian. Number 1, orientation. Apa itu orientation? Di dalamnya ada setting cerita, berisi nama tokoh, waktu, dan tempat kejadian. Number 2 is events. Apa event? Peristiwa-peristiwa atau runtutan kejadian yang ingin diceritakan. Dan yang terakhir adalah reorientation, sebagai penutup berisi akhir cerita. Apa saja language feature-nya? Language feature mean in bahasa Indonesia ciri-ciri kebahasaan. Number 1, using past tense. You still remember past tense subject plus verb to talk about past tense. Ya. For example, I went to beach last year. Number 2, using personal participant. Example, I, we, my group, our team, etc. And number 3, using chronological conjunction. Jadi ada kata sambung yang berurutan. For example, first, next, then, etc. Demikianlah ciri-ciri recount text. Jadi kita bisa simpulkan, recount text tells about event that have happened to our or other people, to you or other people. I'm sorry ya. And there are 4. Ada 4 yang harus diperhatikan dalam pembuatan recount text, yaitu ada title. Apa itu title? Judul cerita. Yang kedua ada orientation, yaitu what you did, who did this, when, and where. Lalu ada event atau runtutan kejadian. Runtutan kejadian cerita ini harus diceritakan secara kronologis dan berurutan. Lalu yang terakhir adalah reorientation, yaitu ending atau akhir suatu cerita. Baiklah, Ibu akan memberikan contoh. Contohnya yaitu SMP 1 Cimahi Off-Road. Oke, Ibu bacakan ya. Last holiday, my friends from SMP 1 Cimahi and I went for off-road along the beach in Yogyakarta. First, we began our activity from Pantai Parangkusumo Art Market. We rented the jeep cars for off-road. Every jeep could take 4 passengers. Next, we started the adventure to Gumuk Pasir. Then we crossed the sand like driving in Sahara Desert. There we took some photos. After that, we drove to Parangtritis. On the way, the jeep crossed the water around Parangtritis beach, so some of us got wet, but it was very excited. In Parangtritis, we took a rest. There we could play sand, took some photos along the beach, but most of us enjoyed the coconut water which is sold by the seller around the beach. After a while, we went back to continue our off-road. From Parangtritis, we drove to Cemoro Sewu Beach. There, we had off-road into Pinewood. There was so many quaking, it made us to hold tightly. Finally, we saw the beautiful of Parangkusumo Beach, and we finished our off-road in Parangkusumo Art Market. We were very tired, but felt excited and happy. That was the exciting experience. Baiklah, kita akan menganalisa recount text yang telah Ibu baca. Lihat bahwa recount text itu harus ada title. Apa ini title-nya? Title-nya adalah SMP 1 Cimahi Off-Road. Setelah title, ada orientation. Yang mana orientation? Lihat, last holiday, my friend from SMP 1 Cimahi and I went for off-road along the beach in Yogyakarta. Itu adalah orientation karena ada where in Yogyakarta. Lalu when last holiday. Who my friend and I. What went for off-road along the beach. Oke, setelah orientation kita ke event. Yang mana event? Setelah ini ya. Dari kata first, we began our activity from Parangkusumo Art Market sampai but it was very excited. Sampai itu dulu kita akan teliti ya. Dikatakan bahwa dalam kalimat recount kita memakai kata past tense. Nah, di sini mana saja kata kerja yang berbentuk past tense-nya? Ya, kita lihat ya. Dari orientation. Yang orientation, kata kerjanya adalah when. Nah, sekarang kita ke event. In event, we can find began. Dari kata begin. Lalu rented. Dari kata rent. After that, could take. From can take. And then started. From start. And then cross. From the word cross. And then took some photos dari kata take. After that we drove. Drove dari kata drive. And then the jeep crossed dari kata cross. And then got wet ya dari kata get. Lalu kata it was ya, was dari kata is. Lalu kita masih ingat tadi bahwa harus ada conjunction, kata sambung. Lihat di event yang pertama kata sambungnya adalah first ya. Lalu ada kata apa? Next ya. Lalu ada kata apa lagi di sini? After that. Nah, itu kata sambungnya. Baiklah, kita lanjutkan kembali menganalisa recount text di paragraf selanjutnya. Ini masih event ya, ternyata. Kita cari kata verb 2-nya. Kata yang pertama adalah kata took. We took a rest. Took dari kata take. Lalu could play dari kata can play. Lalu took some photos dari kata take. Ya, lalu enjoyed dari kata enjoy. Lalu yang mana ya? The water which sold. Ya, sold dari kata sell. Lalu we went back. Went dari kata go. Lalu drop dari kata drive. Ya, we drove to Cemorosewu dari kata drive. Lalu there were dari kata there are. It made. Made dari kata make. So, finally we saw. So dari kata see. Lalu finish dari kata finish. And then, itu semuanya event. Paragraf selanjutnya ini merupakan reorientation atau penutup cerita. Ya. Di sini verbnya, past tense-nya ada were, very tired. Were dari kata are. Lalu felt excited. Felt dari kata feel. That was dari kata that is. Itu saja mungkin pembelajaran recount hari ini. Dan kita akan menyaksikan video untuk recount text SMP1 off-road di recount text part 2. Dan kalian akan mendapatkan tugas di sana ya untuk membuat recount text. Thank you and happy watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.